Hey there, dream chasers. Today I'm going to share a powerful technique that can help you manifest your desires and transform your life, the 369 manifestation method. This method has been gaining popularity, especially on TikTok, for its simplicity and effectiveness. So let's dive right in. The 369 manifestation method revolves around the magic of numbers 3, 6, and 9. These numbers are believed to hold special significance in aligning our intentions with the universe. Here's how it works. You write down your desired manifestation 3 times in the morning, 6 times during the day, and 9 times in the evening. This consistent reinforcement is said to amplify your intention and signal the universe to bring it to reality. Each number in this method carries a unique energy. Number 3 symbolizes creativity and growth, number 6 represents harmony and balance, and number 9 signifies completion and fulfillment. By harnessing the power of these numbers, you can create a powerful vibration that attracts your desires. Now let's put this into practice. First, identify what you want to manifest. Get clear on your desire and craft a positive affirmation that reflects it. For example, if you're aiming to attract wealth, your affirmation could be, "I am open to receiving abundant wealth into my life." Simple, right? Next, incorporate this affirmation into your daily routine. Write it down 3 times in the morning, 6 times during the afternoon, and 9 times before you go to sleep. As you write, visualize your desire as if it's already happening. Feel the emotions associated with its manifestation: excitement, gratitude, joy. This emotional connection is key to making your affirmation more powerful. Remember, the 369 manifestation method is not just about writing down your desires, it's also about taking action. Align your actions with your intentions and be open to opportunities that come your way. Whether it's networking, learning new skills, or simply being more positive, take steps that bring you closer to your goals. So, there you have it. The 369 manifestation method is a simple yet effective tool to help you manifest your dreams. Give it a try and see how it works for you. And don't forget to share your experiences in the comments below. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and hit the alert bell for more tips on manifesting your best life. Until next time, stay positive and keep dreaming big with Peak Mind Provisions 369. Create your reality